Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel Cheese Remedy. So today's video is all about me showing you guys how to remove dark circles and dark spots from your face. So this recipe is 100% natural with zero side effect. So stay tuned and make sure you watch this video till the end. So these are the two major ingredients I'm going to be using to come up with this recipe. So here I have my potatoes and I also have cucumber as well. So I have other ingredients to be added, so keep on watching. So this is my cucumber. I'm going to go ahead and use my grater to grate my cucumber. So cucumber reduces swelling and puffiness of the skin. It helps to combat premature aging. It contains skin repairing properties because it's a natural moisturizer. So when it comes to your skincare, cucumber is not left out. So you can as well use your blender to blend. So the next ingredient I'm going to be grating is our potatoes. So remember, my ingredients, they are already washed. So before you grate your ingredients, make sure you wash your ingredients. So potatoes helps to diminish dark circles and puffy eyes. It also helps to reduce wrinkles. It also helps to lighten dark spots, and it also reduces blemishness of the skin. So these are my grated potato and cucumber. Like I said earlier on, you can just cut them into tiny pieces, and so whichever way. The next thing I'm going to be doing is to use my sieve to strain out the juice. So I'm not going to dispose of this chaff gotten from the cucumber and potatoes. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to use it to get rid of dark circles. So set it aside. So the next thing we are going to be adding to this recipe is aloe vera gel. So I made this gel myself. You can check out the link below the description box. So this is homemade aloe vera gel. So we are going to be adding 1 teaspoonful of aloe vera gel. Aloe vera is a very good natural moisturizer. It also helps to slow down aging. It helps with your dark spots, with your dark circles. It cleanses the skin as well, and it also exfoliates the skin. So what you are just going to do is just to mix all together. So don't forget to like this video, share with your family and friends. So the next ingredient I'm going to be adding is vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil helps to nourish and protect your skin from damage. It also helps to lighten dark spots. So I'm adding 2 capsules of vitamin E oil, and vitamin E oil will also help to preserve this remedy. So that is why I love using vitamin E oil mostly, because it's a kind of a natural preservative. So just go ahead and mix all your ingredients together. So when you are done, you can go ahead and store your remedy in a tight container. So when you store it in your refrigerator, it will last at least 7 to 14 days or more. So I normally use it in a cube form. As you can see, this is how it is when you put it in your refrigerator. So when I bring it out from the refrigerator, I just apply it under circle eyes and on my face. After applying, I keep it back inside the refrigerator. So if it's still in the liquid form, you can use a cotton wool to apply it on your face. If you can't use cotton wool, you can as well use cucumber the way I just did. Dip it inside the remedy, apply under circle eye, apply all over your face in a circular motion. So when you are done applying it on your face, you leave it on your face for at least 30 minutes before you can go ahead and rinse off with warm water or with clean water. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to use the chaff I got from the cucumber and potatoes. So all you are just going to do is just to take a small batch and place it on your eyes, but make sure your eyes are covered. So this will also help to get rid of dark circles overnight. Just place it this way and leave it for at least 20 to 30 minutes. Then you go ahead and remove it and wash off your face. So guys, this recipe will help to reduce dark circles and puffy eyes. It will also help to fight wrinkles. It will lighten dark spots, blemishness. It will also reduce inflammations caused by bruises or rashes. So you can use this remedy twice daily, in the morning and night, because there's no harsh chemical. It's 100% natural and very effective. So guys, we have come to the end of this video. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed watching, share with your family and friends, and also hit that red subscribe button, turn on your notification bell, so anytime I upload a new video you will get notifications. Thank you so very much for watching, and bye bye. See you in my next video.